Good morning, students. In this type of chemical reactions, first two reactions, that is combination and decomposition reaction, we discussed in last class. In today's class, we'll discuss the remaining types of chemical reactions. First, let us see single displacement reactions. When we are saying about the single displacement reaction, actually it's a reaction between an element and a compound. So when one element reacts with compound, at that time what happens? One of the elements which is present in that compound is replaced by the reactant element, so that it forms new compound and an element. For example, in element it is A, BC compound. So once when this element A reacts with this compound BC, at that time what it is doing? This element A, it is displacing the element B which is present in the compound BC, so that it forms AC and B. Is it clear, students? For that they gave some examples also. For example, when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, at that time the zinc, it displaces the hydrogen which is given in your textbook. Okay. See the picture. Actually, here what happened? They are placing iron nail in the copper sulfate solution. You know very well that color of copper sulfate is blue. So once when this iron nail is inserted in this blue colored copper sulfate solution, at that time what it is happening? Copper, it is getting deposits on the over that iron nail. See the second picture. You will notice the difference. So what it is doing in the sense, iron is displacing the copper from copper sulfate solution. Is the concept clear, students? See, here they gave the activity series. Activity series in the sense, which elements are most reactive and which elements are least reactive. Generally, during displacement reaction, always most reactive elements displace the least reactive elements. Okay. Next topic is double displacement reactions. See, in this case of double displacement reaction, when two compounds react, see here sodium chloride, silver nitrate, like that we are taking two compounds. So when two compounds react, at that time the ions are interchanged. See, in reactant side sodium chloride, sodium is attached to chloride ion, whereas silver is attached to nitrate ion. Once when it is reacting, that ions it is getting interchanged. So the sodium, it is attracting the nitrate ion. So chloride ion is replaced by nitrate ion. Similarly in silver nitrate, nitrate ion is replaced by chloride ion. So this kind of reaction only we are saying it is double displacement reactions. There are two types of double displacement reaction. One is precipitation reaction and the another one is neutralization reaction. Today we will discuss both the types of reaction. First type, it is precipitation reactions. Students, here you saw two different test tubes. In one test tube, it is dilute. So that is lead nitrate. In the two test tubes, the test tube which is very closest to the test tube stand, actually that is potassium iodide solution, which he is holding. One more test tube also you can notice. So that is lead nitrate. See, in both the test tubes, the solution is colorless. Okay. So here we are taking two test tubes. In one test tube, lead nitrate solution is taken. In another test tube, potassium iodide solution is taken. Okay. Both the solutions are colorless. That is only very important. So here what they are doing? They are mixing both the solutions. Both lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Now it is mixed. See, at that time what happened? It forms yellow colored lead iodide solution. That is what we are saying, it is precipitate. See, if we are using downward arrow mark, it shows that it is precipitate. So when two colorless solutions, that is potassium iodide and lead nitrate, are mixed, at that time it is forming lead iodide, which is an yellow precipitate. Is this clear, students, now? So with this, precipitation reaction is completed. Now let us see the neutralization reactions. Already you may study this. When acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. So acid plus base gives salt plus water. Actually this is neutralization reaction. See, here acid is taken. That acid is treated with base so that it is forming salt as well as water. So this reaction, it is an example for neutralization reaction. Actually it is a pictorial representation for this neutralization reaction. So now we are going to learn the last type of chemical reaction, which is called as combustion reaction. So what is meant by combustion reaction? Whenever the reactant rapidly combines with oxygen to form one or more oxides, that we are saying it is combustion reaction. So in reactant side, definitely it should contain one oxygen atom. All the reactions which involve oxygen, that is called as combustion reaction. Even this kind of burning reactions also, it is combustion reaction only. Okay. For this combustion reaction, even we can say these examples. Digestion of food, rusting of iron, even that also it will come under combustion reaction. So in today's class what we discussed? Displacement reaction, that is single displacement and double displacement reaction. Then in double displacement, precipitation and neutralization reactions, and finally combustion reaction. So with this, types of chemical reactions are completed. Okay. Thank you, students.